Do you have a dream inside you? Do you feel that you were born for something bigger? If your heart says yes, even a little bit, so stay with me. Before that, I will give the answer all these questions. But before that, hello everyone, I'm Reena, an English language enthusiast. And a radiant morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. So, each one of us is here on a journey of learning, growing, and becoming the best version of ourselves. And today, I feel truly honored that I have to speak something that has a power to transform the journey. Yes, today I'm going to talk about law of attraction, and the law of attraction has the power to transform the journey. So let's explore this powerful concept together. Let me ask you some simple questions. Have you ever woken up with a good feeling and realized your whole day flowed better? And have you ever kept thinking about the problems and suddenly more problems appeared? It's not a coincidence. That's the law of attraction. Working quietly in the background, it simply says what you think, you attract, what you believe, you become. So, when I first heard about this concept, I thought, is this really simple that? But over the time, I experienced that when I started focusing on positivity, I started seeing more reason to be happy. When I imagined myself speaking confidently, I found myself speak better, learning faster, even inspiring others. Yes. So that's why I'm here, not to share the knowledge, but plant a seed of belief in you. So if you can believe, you can attract. If you can see in your mind, you can hold in your hand. So when we truly desire something from the heart, when we focus in it on with the pure intentions and the strong belief, the universe align all the things to make it happen. And if I said that the law of attraction respond with your energy, with your deepest desire, with your intentions, so it could not be wrong. So the law of attraction teaches us that whatever we consistently think, with belief, we eventually attract into our life. Yes. So let me share some real life example, inspiring example. The first example I'm going to put here: Jim Carrey, homeless to Hollywood star. Jim Carrey came the poor family and he was homeless for a while. He wrote himself $10 million check for his acting service rendered and dated it for 5 years in the future. So, and he visualized himself being successful every day. And what happened in 1994? He got paid exactly $10 million for his role Dumb and Dumber. And the message is that visualization and belief can turn your dream into reality even with no resources. Yes. And the second example I'm going to put here: Oprah Winfrey, born into poverty, faced abuses, faced early trauma. But Oprah always believed that she was destined for something bigger. She used vision board, affirmed and visualized, and she became one of the most influential women in the world with media empire and billion in wealth. So, visualization and belief can turn your dream into reality even with no resources. Yes. So let me share my personal story, which is live example how this law truly works. So since my childhood, I had a strong desire to serving humanity. I felt that I was born to do something meaningful for those who are needy and those who are suffering. And even I used to do all the things in my personal capacity. And but I wanted a platform through which I could help more. So I imagine and I visualize that I'm helping people. I'm doing something meaningful for them, and being able to bring a smile to their faces through my efforts. I am meant to serve, and definitely I will find the way to help. So these affirmation was a part of my daily life, and so one day what happened? I come across the WhatsApp status of Ankita ji. She also live in my society, so I saw her post related to distributing food for needy and some women welfare related. So I immediately messaged her that, ma'am, I am also interested to social service if there any opportunity. So please do let me know. She replied politely, okay, I'll inform you when something comes up. And sometimes passed, even days, even weeks, and out of the blue, I got her call, and she said, would you like to join as a volunteer I was more than happy and I immediately agree. I started working as a volunteer with passion, dedication, and honesty. Slowly, my work started getting recognized, and the organization promoted me volunteer to secretary, and I have been delighted to share that I have been promoted the secretary to vice president in 2nd June. And one day during the conversation, Ankita ji said something that truly touched my heart. She said, Reena ji, there were many requests, but I don't know why it felt like you were the one for this position, for this opportunity. So I smiled and said, ma'am, it was a power of affirmation. I had been visualizing this opportunity for years, and I believe that I would serve and universe respond. I'm also a big devotee of Sai Baba, all Sai Baba's presence in my life unwavering. I can feel his divine guidance every moment, strengthening my faith and illuminating my path. So, and he also used to serve humanity among people. So I think I have been chosen by him for this path. And I also want to share one short story that is a live example how this law truly works. So when I started speaking English, I used to see the YouTubers speaking confidently on their channels, and I admired a lot. And the dream took root in my heart. One day I also want to have my own YouTube channels, but I was beginner and how to create, how to communicate, and how to connect with the YouTubers because I was beginner and I was only part of one group and I didn't aware that there can be a YouTuber. So I feel unsure and confused, but I already believed in law of attraction. So I started using it for my dream and I give daily affirmation that I kept visualizing about my channel and I am just creating meaningful content and I'm talking with the YouTubers like that. And one day something magical happened on the auspicious day of Vasant Panchami. The Saraswati Ma, I just sat in front of the Mata Saraswati and praying deeply for guidance. And at the same moment, my phone rang and I picked up. It was my co-learner. As we were talking, she mentioned that in between that she had a YouTube channel. Oh my God, I got a goosebumps. It felt like clear sign from the universe, like I was on the right path. That moment confirmed what I already believed, that law of attraction is truly work. So, when we align our thoughts, energy, and intentions with our dream, the universe responds. If do you have a dream, so don't let it go. Affirm it, visualize it, and take small steps. And trust the universe. That universe will open the right doors for you, just like I did for me. And all these two examples which I share with you is actually happened with me with during 1 year. Some dreams took time while some dreams comes true unexpectedly and quickly. But one thing is I realized when your vision is clear, when your belief is strong, when your actions are aligned, the universe responds. So, yes, now I want to ask you, do you have a dream inside you? Do you think that you were born for something bigger? Do you ever get a sign from the universe? If yes, so don't ignore them. The universe responds, but only when you are clear, committed, and consistent. Yes. So now I want to invite you all, no matter what's your dream is, start with belief. Affirm daily, I am capable, I am growing, I'm worthy. I'm attracting opportunity. I am becoming who I am to be. I am, I trust the universe and the universe trusts me. I ready to receive abundance, success, and happiness. And repeat this daily and see, my friend, your energy rise and your life change. So, my friends, the law of attraction is real. You don't have to chase opportunity. You just have to align with your purpose and the opportunity will chase you. Now I want to speak those who are feeling demotivated. Maybe you are not getting result. Maybe you are struggling. Maybe you feel invisible in this world full of competition. But my message is that for you, don't give up. Don't stop believing. You are not stuck. You are being prepared. Write down what you want. Say it daily as an affirmation. Visualize it with faith, with belief, and work quietly and trust the process. So even no one see your potential today, but remember the universe is watching, and when the time is right, your moment will come. So do you have a power inside you? Do you have a purpose? You just need belief. So my friends, believe like it's already yours, speak like it's on its way, and act like it's already happening. So, and one day you will look back and realize, oh my God, that's a law of attraction that brought me here. Yes. So, in conclusion, my friends, the law of attraction, it's not about to wishing. It's about align your energy in thoughts and actions with your dream. And it is a powerful mindset that has a power to transform your dream into reality. So, yes, visualize it, affirm it, but don't stop there. Take inspired action, because attraction without action is just imagination. So, yes, dream boldly, believe deeply, and most importantly, act intentionally. So, be the energy and take small steps and let your life unfold with growth and grace. So, thank you so much for listening.